Hi, I'm Jamie Miller, a registered SQF consultant and food safety consultant at Kellerman Consulting, and you are watching our video series on preventive maintenance and repair in safety and quality programs. In this video series, we are going to identify the differences between preventing equipment breakdown and addressing breakdown when it occurs within an operational program. Included in this series is how to schedule preventive maintenance, how to check the status of the program, and what to do when scheduled repairs cannot be performed according to the schedule. We are also going to look at proper documentation and sanitation activities for repairs throughout these episodes. I will emphasize where maintenance can be a part of continuous improvement to operations, in addition to where it is used to correct a failure or breakdown, and how they fit into a larger program that emphasizes a culture of safety and quality. The actions required to get equipment into working order and to keep it in working order have to be understood in two ways. First are the documented actions we take to prevent breakdown, which we shall refer to as preventive maintenance. When maintenance issues occur that you cannot plan for, also known as unplanned breakdown, a separate type of documentation is required for the actions taken to return equipment to conformance and proper function. This shall be referred to as repairs. The most important regulations around maintenance are occupational safety, which are enforced by OSHA. For facilities operating safety and quality programs, the manner and methods used in a facility to perform maintenance and repair must meet worker safety standards. Beyond worker safety requirements, safety and quality programs are fairly vague on what is required when maintenance is performed. Since each facility is different, each piece of equipment within the facility is different, and the way each facility handles maintenance is different, maintenance requirements will vary from operation to operation. Equipment manufacturers may have maintenance suggestions or requirements as part of warranty arrangements, and those would fall within the safety and quality program. As a result, except for the worker safety requirements, there really are few specific requirements. Some examples of food safety requirements for maintenance repairs include using food-grade greases or oils on equipment, not having any temporary repairs using wood or other material that is not easily cleanable, and making sure tools are cleaned before using them on equipment. An important rule to remember is food facilities must use food-grade chemicals on equipment within processing areas, and those food-grade chemicals cannot be stored with or under non-food-grade chemicals. Lastly, maintenance must prevent risks to operations and products, and maintenance areas must be effectively cleaned before and after the work is performed. This cleaning must be documented as part of the facility maintenance program. We can start from the premise that all facilities must engage in repair since all equipment in operations will eventually break down from regular use. Conversely, whether a facility also engages in preventive maintenance to prevent breakdown is usually a function of the resources and knowledge available within the facility. Many facilities that operate very lean programs do not have employees who are specifically focused on preventive maintenance activities, and as a result, employees at these facilities simply repair equipment themselves when it breaks down. While that practice is allowed by regulation, it may be a very costly and ultimately destructive practice, as it would be in your home or car. Allowing normal wear to occur without scheduled professional upkeep may lead to catastrophic failure of equipment that would otherwise last indefinitely with preventive measures in place. For facilities with unique or expensive equipment, only performing repairs and not conducting routine preventive maintenance is an extremely risky practice and one we do not recommend under any circumstance. Where preventive maintenance is performed in a functioning safety and quality management system, it is scheduled and a record of the preventive maintenance is included with each task. These records may be a list of preventive maintenance actions on a form or spreadsheet, or a more elaborate computer program to keep track of tasks. Some facilities have maintenance departments with several operators, dedicated spaces where tools are kept, and where equipment is moved when work is required. Other facilities may have management or operational employees that perform maintenance and repair as needed and bring tools to the floor where necessary. A dedicated maintenance area is not a requirement in a quality and safety management program, but it is common. Where a dedicated area or room for maintenance is part of the facility, rules for cleanliness and organization should be put in place, and in the case where the organization operates under an ISO 9001 or GFSI program, a high degree of care and organization equivalent to a 5S scheme is expected. According to the American Society for Quality, 5S is defined as a methodology that results in a workplace that is clean, uncluttered, safe, and well organized to help reduce waste and optimize productivity. While it is not necessary to distinguish between preventive and reactive maintenance from repair, the requirements for preventive maintenance, as well as the requirements for repair in a safety and quality system, are the same in regards to documentation of who performed it, who checked that it was performed correctly, a record of cleaning was needed following repairs, as well as any follow-up checks. As we look closer at the specifics of preventive maintenance and repair, we will include specific considerations for worker safety and environmental safety. For now, we recommend that leadership in the facility familiarize themselves with regulations and best practices for OSHA, the Environmental Protection Agency, and the USDA and FDA for food facilities, and ensure employees understand the regulations that apply to performing maintenance and repairs. It is imperative that activities such as chemical control, lockout, tagout, and controlled disposal are performed each time maintenance and repair is performed, and all actions are performed under the supervision of knowledgeable and trained employees or contractors. In our next episode of the Preventive Maintenance and Repair series, we'll review how to apply the program for all new equipment and how to properly monitor activities and maintenance actions for equipment upon arrival and installation. Thank you for watching. For more food safety and quality management system training videos and resources, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or follow us on LinkedIn.